poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacy, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? So before we get started, I'm apologizing for my hair in advance. Y'all, this hair I got from the beauty supply store, and I don't know if it's because under this wig, like, I moisturize my hair, the hair is like getting oily, and like it just won't flat iron. Like, it's like flipping the opposite way, which is kind of a vibe in itself. But so today I wanted to bring you guys a completely 100% drugstore makeup tutorial. So today I wanted to give you guys a soft glam. I was thinking about doing a natural look, but I already have that, and if you haven't watched that video, it'll be right up here. But I wanted to give you guys a soft glam just in case you guys were going on dates, or you know, you just want to go out and you don't want to be like completely natural. You just want to have like a little bit of glam going on, but not too much. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. But if you want to become a super subscriber, go ahead and ring that bell down below so you can be notified every time I drop a video. And before we get started, if you want to up your dose of Team Stacy, go ahead and follow me on my social networks. It'll be right here. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. Alrighty guys, so I did go ahead and do my brows off camera with the LA Color Brow Pencil in dark brown, and I just took my LA Pro Girl Concealer in pure beige to conceal, and we're also going to use that same concealer to create a base. And as you see, it's about 1 to 2 shades lighter than me, and that's what we want because we want to make sure that these colors do pop. So you want to pat that into your eye, making sure that there is no creases. And I'm taking this Tracy palette, and it's called Forged in Fire, and I'm not even sure where I got this from. I know it's not like high end, but with that dark brown shade and then that kind of rusty orange shade, we're going to take those two colors. So first, with that dark brown shade, we're just going to pop that into my crease. So as you see, I'm going back in and I'm picking up product and I'm building the color on my crease, just packing. We're not swiping, no windshield wipers, none of that. We just want to pack this on to build up color. So now everything looks good. I'm going to go in with that rusty orange shade, raising my brow so you have more workspace, and you want to pat that color on. And this is the techniques that I take for every palette. Doesn't matter if it's cheap or expensive. This is how you want to blend your shadows together. So back with that brush, like I said in the video, no extra product. I'm going to do circular motions, and this is what we're going to do to blend the shadows together. So just tapping off the excess powder, I'm just going to go back in with the rusty shade. I didn't add more product, but with that brush, we're going to use circular motions to blend that out. So with that matte shade there, that's like a mauve. I'm not too good with my colors, but I'm going to take that shade that I showed you and I'm just going to pop that on my lid. And one thing about, you know, soft glams, I do like to keep it very matte. It screams more soft glam when you're using matte colors. So with this product, I had a lot of fallout, so I'm just dusting away the fallout. So I advise you to do your eyes before you do your base. But I was telling y'all, do not be scared, y'all. We're going to do a quick liner. Because this video is very beginner friendly, I didn't want to do like a big dramatic wing. We're literally just lining our lash line. And this is because we're going to be wearing falsies. And just in case you have a problem applying your falsies, you know, this line is going to help you kind of disguise that. So I'm also prepping my lashes for my falsies, so I'm applying mascara. Please do not skip this step because I hate when girls don't put mascara and they have like freaking eyeshadow on their lashes and it just doesn't look well. So a trick that I'm doing here is I'm actually applying the glue to my lash line. I'm like literally kind of tracing right over the liner that we just did, and that kind of helps with, you know, placement of your lash if you do have a problem with that. My other lash, it was like low-key hanging a little bit. I ended up fixing it at the end of the video, but hopefully that doesn't trigger you like how it's triggering me, because I hate how it looks right now. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the eyes. So we're gonna go in with the skin. So with my dual action moisturizer, I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my skin, and I've been breaking out so bad. I told you guys in my last videos that it's because I'm taking vitamins. I actually stopped taking those vitamins because I cannot. My skin has been so bad. But we're going to put the foundations to the test today. So with my Hydro Touch primer from NYX, I'm just going to go ahead and hydrate. This is my favorite drugstore hydration primer. I love it. I'm taking my foundation from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me foundation, and this one was in Warm Honey, I believe. Now it looks too light, but I knew I was gonna fix it, but it did look a little too light, and I wouldn't necessarily say too light. I think it was just the exact same skin tone as me, and if you know me and you follow my tutorials, you know that I like to go 1 to 1.5 to maybe even 2 shades darker with my foundation, and then I brighten it up with my concealer. I typically do not like foundation spot on because I just feel like it looks too white, and I have to spend more time contouring and bronzing up my face, which I love that either way. But yeah, I just, you know, it ended up coming out together, but it does look a little bit light to me. So with that same concealer that we use for our brows, for our base, we're going to go ahead and pop that on. And y'all can tell I love this concealer. I was literally running out of it. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in with a beauty sponge that I got from my local beauty supply store. And you just want to take your time and pat this in. And as you guys can tell, this tutorial is a little bit long, and I really wanted to emphasize, you know, how to achieve these looks with affordable things. And I really wanted this video to be very step-by-step and beginner-friendly. So now with my black Opal foundation stick, the color will be linked down below. I'm just going to go ahead and take that and contour my forehead and my cheeks, and we're just going to pat that into my skin. And this is honestly my favorite part of makeup. I love bronzing up my face, and also, like I told you guys, this foundation was a little too spot on for me, so I had to go in and really bring that bronze because I like that warm look. I like to look warm and tan. Like, period. I know y'all see I look good. Like, I didn't even finish blending and it looks so good. But anyways, I'm gonna take my Fit Me powder from Maybelline, and this is in the number 20, and we're gonna use that to set under my eyes, and we're gonna use that honestly to set everywhere that we apply concealer. Next up, I'm going to take my black Radiance contour palette, and with that shade there, I'm just going to put that over the contour shade because I really wanted to just sculpt my face and just bring some warmth back into my skin. And you can honestly skip this step. It's not mandatory, but you know I'm extra. So now back with that Fit Me powder, I'm just going to go ahead and sharpen up my contour line. I never used to do this, but it really does make a difference. It just makes everything look more snatched. So now I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses blush palette, and we're just going to add some blush into my cheeks. I used to also skip this step too. I like to look very brown, but now I like to add just a little bit of color, a little fun, a little flirty, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm just going to pop in some black liner under my eye. I really feel like because this look is smoky, you know, we really want to just keep everything nice and sultry. And then I'm going to smoke that out. You never want to neglect your bottom lash line. That really can pull a look together. With that rusty orange, I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Then I'm going to set my face with the LA Girl Pro setting spray. And then we're going to put highlighter. So always put your setting spray and then highlighter. And I don't know, it makes your highlighter pop out more. So this is my Wet n Wild highlighter. And I'm not sure what color it's in. I was trying to find it. I think it's Crown of My Canopy, but I'm not sure. And we're just going to highlight, you know, under our eyebrows, because when you do that, it really pulls everything together. Like, whew, this is where it becomes glam. Like, yes. Ooh, lift them brows up, girl, period. Then I'm going to line my lips. So I was requested to do an ombre lip tutorial, so I did want to just throw that in the back end of this video. So I'm going to line my lips, and I didn't want to speed this up too much. I really just wanted to show you guys what I do to line my lips and get that perfect line, because I know some people do have a hard time, you know, dealing with lip liners. So I'm taking a dark brown liner from Ruby Kiss, and I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips. And if you have a hard time with that, I'm going to actually show you guys a technique. So for lining your lips, you want to press your lips together if you do have a hard time lining it, and that kind of just brings the shape out more, I guess. I don't know how to, you can kind of see, but yeah, it just brings the shape out more. And then I spread it out a little bit to get into the deep corners, but that's the best way to line your lips. And then also for this ombre effect, you do want to bring down that liner a little bit so it's an easier blend from, you know, when we throw on that lipstick. So this is my only product that wasn't drugstore friendly, but you can honestly find any like nude lipstick to achieve this, honestly. With this lip gloss, this one is in Timeless, and it will be linked down below. First, I'm going to go ahead and outline the outer corners of my lips, and then I'm going to pat my lips together and just mix in that dark brown with that liquid lipstick. And as here, you can honestly leave it how it looks now, but I want to step it up a little bit. So now I'm taking my NYX, and this one is in Cario. With this liquid lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and pop that on the more inner portion of my lips to really get a gradient effect. And we're just going to mix that and pat that together. And I loved how it looks, but because everything was so matte, I wanted to add some gloss to give me some more shine to my lip. And there we have it. Alrighty, my love, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Like I said, today I wanted to give you guys this soft glam tutorial using all drugstore friendly products. You can get these products from your local drugstore, Walmart, Walgreens, hair stores, and yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Also, I was requested to do an ombre lip, so that's why usually when I do my lips, I kind of, you know, keep it sped up and just keep going, but I wanted to slow down and show you guys how to create an ombre lip. If you guys are feeling out this look, go ahead and like this video and comment down below if you guys like this look. If you want to see me achieve more of these looks with drugstore products, I can go ahead and do that for you guys. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Giving me much date vibes, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next videos, which is going to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. Bye, guys.